everybody, Holli here from HolliDay AnyDay. And today I have for you the perfect summer salad. So it's summertime, it's really hot here in Southern California, and I've been craving honeydew and mint and that kind of yummy, refreshing stuff. So here's a salad we're gonna do today. We're gonna start with some cubed fresh honeydew. It is wonderful right now. It is so, so sweet. To that, let's have some cubed, peeled, seeded cucumber. Then we're gonna add some chopped red onion, just a little bit, not too much. Maybe about 1/3 of a cup for this whole thing. Nothing too crazy. Just to give it a little, actually a little color and a little bit of heat. You could probably even put a little spicy something in here, like a jalapeno or something if you wanted, but not today. So let's just do it this way. So we know we're gonna cut our onion the way we cut our onions. Doing this, doing this, doing this, doing this. Okay. Nice and slivered. Just enough for a little bite, a little color. Let's add him to our bowl. Got the colors already. That's just gorgeous. Okay, to this, let's go with some dill and some mint. Mint and honeydew. Perfect combination. Makes me want a margarita, actually. That's another show. About equal parts of each. Okay, that's good enough. A little rough chop on that guy. And there. Okay. Now what we're gonna do with this guy, I've made a lemon honey vinaigrette. And the recipe's, of course, on the website. Let's go ahead and give him a little dress with that. Side. Give him a toss. Oh, look how pretty that is. The greens and the purples. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, now I happen to have some gorgeous red leaf lettuce I got out of my garden this morning. And I think it's perfect for this salad. Go ahead and pop this guy on here. Look how pretty that is. And this would sit in your fridge for a few hours easily. I think it'd be just fine. Think about this with some chicken or some steak. Once we got all our little guys out of here, right before you're ready to serve it, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of fresh feta cheese on it. Of course, you could leave this out if you have some vegans around, but it just adds a nice little bite of salt, actually. Isn't that the prettiest thing? Look how gorgeous is that? It's beautiful with the dark lettuce. So let's give it a taste. Let's take a bite with everything in it. Honeydew with the feta. It's so different. That's so good. The mint and the dill just pop right out at you. Fabulous with a little glass of white wine. Oh, that's so refreshing. Give this one a try. It's easy breezy.